Hello students, come to the VPS online classes. Today I am going to explain you lesson 6 of language, and that is pronoun. Pronoun is a part of speech which is used in place of noun to avoid the repetition of the noun. I know that you all know about the pronoun as you have already read this part of speech in your previous class 5. Now come to the lesson 6 pronoun. Now this is lesson 6 pronoun. A pronoun is a word used instead of a noun. It is used to avoid repetition of noun in a sentence. Okay students, now come to the definition of pronoun. A pronoun is a word used instead of a noun. It is used to avoid repetition of the noun in a sentence. Means sentence में बार बार noun को repeat करने की जगह pronoun word का use किया जाता है. Clear? Now come to the examples. Number 1, the dog is big. It is also hairy. In this sentence, the dog is noun and the word it is pronoun which is used for the dog. Okay? In second sentence, Rita loves dancing. She is a good dancer. Here, Rita is noun and she is pronoun. She is used in place of Rita noun. Clear? In this way, I have explained the definition of noun with 2 examples. Now, come to the kinds of noun. In this chapter, you have to study kinds of pronouns also. First, personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, relative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, reflexive pronoun, emphasizing or emphatic pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, and indefinite pronoun. All these are the kinds of pronouns. Okay, now come to the first kind, personal pronoun. See the personal pronoun. Personal pronoun have 3 persons: first person, second person, and third person. First person, I, mine, me, we, ours, us. All these are the first person pronoun. This is used for the person speaking. And the second person pronoun is you and yours, which is used for the listener, the person who is listening. And the third person pronoun is he, his, him, she, hers, they, their, them, and it. And it is used for the person or things for whom it is spoken about. Okay students, see here, also look at here. First person or speaker means first person personal pronoun means the speaker, I or we. Second person or listener, just like you. Third person or the person spoken about, he, she, it, they. Okay, now see the examples to understand it more clearly. I am a student of class 6th. We are going to Agra on excursion. It means I and we both are the first person personal pronoun. Clear? Second, Mr. Bose has called you. You can use my pen. You and you here are the second person personal pronoun. Okay? Now come to the next example. He lives in my neighborhood. She is your cousin. It is wonderful to go to the hills in summer. They are our classmates. All these are the third person personal pronoun. I think now you understand about the first person, second person, and third person more clearly from these examples. Okay students, now come to the exercise based on this personal pronouns. Okay, fill in the blanks with suitable personal pronouns. Here in this exercise you have to use suitable personal pronouns. Now, see here. Number 1, exercise A. Number 1, Anushka has a new bicycle. It is red in color. It pronoun is used for the bicycle noun. Okay. Anushka uses it to go to school. She has 2 good friends. She is used for Anushka. Anushka is noun and she is pronoun. They are Sunita and Rani. Sunita and Rani, for 2 nouns, the word pronoun they is used here. She plays with her friends in the evening. Clear? Second part. Mother, we are leaving for the movie. Will you please close the door? It is a very sunny day, so we are carrying our umbrellas. My friends and I will remember to bring it back. Please lock up Blackie. It is following us. It is used for a Blackie and it is a dog. Okay, come to the third part. Children showed me the way. Anand said to Raj, why are you disturbing me? They are richer than us. You and me gained equal marks. Here is not much difference between you and me. He is taller than me. He loves you more than me. Okay, next page. Sentence number 8. They are stronger than them. People such as you must be punished. They are not as rich as us. Number 11. She can sing better than me. Number 12. I know the truth as well as you. Now students, in this way, today we have completed and covered the definition of pronoun, lesson 6, and we have also studied the kinds of pronouns and about the first kind, personal pronoun, and the exercise A. Thank you students for today's video.